What do you mean?
Alright, it's Mr. Wilson back here with new rings, new bearings are in, and don't worry about sticking that old fucking one in there. We showed them the other one come out, that's one balance shaft. And what have you done? You've put this collar in here, blocks the oil gallery, doesn't it?
Yep, and we will increase pressure.
And boost your oil pressure a bit. And then behind your oil pump is another fucking balance shaft.
And that's straight off there.
So what goes in place of that? So there's the
Shaft.
You're like taking fucking 10 kilos of shit out of your engine.
So for the black and for that one, you have a little pin that goes through in there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And then the bolt originally that went in the shaft goes in there. That's to block that off, so it's not just an open hole for oil to go through.
Alright. Was there gaskets for that?
Yep. All the kit. All in the kit.
So you buy the Nason
eBay.
off eBay, balance shaft delete kit. Comes with all your gaskets, odds and ends, instructions. Time and chain shit there as well.
Balance shaft chain.
So what, it has a shorter chain, doesn't it?
Yep.
Yep. So yeah, that's it so far. So what goes in that hole there then? Nothing.
Nothing. The oil pump just goes straight back over that, and the block and plate that went in this, where the shaft originally comes through, stops it. Because there's no actual hole there.
No hole there.
Holes in there.
Pretty crazy how you're going to have these two big fucking empty spaces inside your engine. The fucking amount of weight that's come out of there. I don't look at all that, that's all the good stuff. Anyway, I'll see what it's like once it's together. Not you'll be able to see anything, will you?
No, you see the engine rock about.
She might rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
Alright. Ain't that starting to fucking look pretty?